What if we drill hole on Mars? Several missions, including rovers and landers, have provided valuable insights into the Martian surface. However, drilling deep into Mars offers the potential to uncover even more fascinating discoveries. One possibility is the presence of subsurface water ice. We know that Mars once had a more hospitable climate, and evidence suggests the existence of ice beneath its surface. Drilling could help confirm the abundance and accessibility of water resources, essential for future human missions. Another potential benefit of drilling is understanding the geology of Mars. By extracting core samples, scientists could study the layers of rock and sediment, providing insights into the planet's history, geological processes, and the potential for past or present microbial life. Additionally, drilling could be crucial for extracting valuable resources for human exploration and settlement. Mars is rich in minerals and elements that could be utilized for future Martian colonies. However, drilling on Mars is not without challenges. The Martian environment, with its thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures, presents technical difficulties and requires innovative drilling technologies. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the idea of drilling on Mars opens up a world of possibilities. See you in the next one.